In this video, you'll learn how to promote your events with UBMe's email marketing feature. After you publish your event, you'll be taken to the next section in the UBMe events dashboard to promote your event. UBMe includes a free email marketing tool that allows you to send a limited number of email invitations each month for free. According to a 2022 study by Sales Cycle Inc., 59% of participants said that marketing emails influence their purchase decisions, and over 50% buy from marketing emails at least once a month. We know that email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to promote directly to potential event attendees, and creating an effective event invitation can potentially lead to a noticeable increase in your ticket sales. You will notice that UBMe allows you to upload 2,000 total contacts, which are the email addresses you will be sending your invitations to, and you're allowed a monthly send limit of 8,000 invitations. If you need to access larger send limits or need to update more email contacts, you can reach out to us and request an increase to your email limits for a small monthly fee. Step 1 in setting up your email invitations is to create an attractive subject line. According to research done by HubSpot, the most effective email subject lines engage curiosity, include promotional offers, and include the name of the event or the brand hosting the event. Put some thought into a creative subject line that will turn heads. For example, if you have a discount code, include that in the email subject line. After the subject line, you can enter a personalized from name so your attendees know it's you sending an invite. And below, you'll see a preview of what your email looks like to your attendee. You can use our default template, but if you're looking to make changes or add any additional information, you can make changes by scrolling up to the top and selecting Edit Email Invite in the top right corner of the screen. From here, you're able to add a header to the email, which is highly recommended to showcase your brand within the email. You're also able to edit the body of the email to be more descriptive or include additional links and information about the event. Finally, you're able to edit footer information to your email, including your contact information and your social media accounts. Make sure to press the save button and your changes will be updated. After you've crafted the perfect email invitation, you're able to send a test email to yourself or people on your team to make sure that the design and layout are exactly what you're looking for. Okay, this looks good. Now it's time to upload your contacts list. If you try to upload a list that's larger than 2,000 contacts, you'll get an error notification to call us if you want to increase your limits. You can upload multiple files with different names to segment your contacts and select which lists should get an invite and which contacts should be passed over. Select the contacts you would like to send the email invitations to, and then move on to the final step, which is sending the invitations immediately or scheduling a time to send it later in the future. After you press send, you'll see at the top that your invitations have been scheduled or have already been sent out. If they have been scheduled for later, you can access the email at the top of the page if you want to make edits or cancel for any reason. That's all for this video. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about UBMe, and we look forward to creating a unique experience together at your next event.